In the box. 3-foot high-speed premium HDMI cable, a male-to-a-male, for transmitting video and audio signals from source to display. Connects a variety of devices. Connect tablets, laptops and other HDMI-enabled devices to projectors, video conference systems, HDTV, monitors, and more. Nylon braided jacket. Durable, double-shielded 30 Aruban Florins cable with nylon braided jacket and aluminum housing. Dynamic usability. Supports Ethernet, 3D, 4K video, and audio return channel, ARC, 30 Hz, 10.2 Gbps per second bandwidth. Plug-play design. No need for complicated drivers or setup time. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy cable for a great price. I needed a few long HDMI cables for a 4K monitor that is further away than I had realized. I ordered a gray and red one and they are both great. The fabric sleeve should protect the cable and it's working great for my current gaming rig setup. Bonus. The red color looks great and is easy to spot when I am reconfiguring 4 different inputs.